another products that I would like to talk about today. So this one is the most controversial products from YSL. It's the Make Me Blush YSL Lavender Last. So I guess you guys not anymore strange with this product. Nakikita nyo to na maraming iba-ibang influencers from other countries complaining about the color of the blush is too light daw or too purple or too lilac. But for me, as a brand owner, what I can say is I think, guys, first of all, this is YSL. They have a strong R&D team and they know they can use the record of their data of sales of what colors that customer from certain country would like to have. I guess you guys nakikita nyo yung number one nagreklamo to like si Aling Gloria and other skin color niya nanggugulat bakit daw ganitong kulay, why the color is too light, how come it's become a blush. But on the other hand also, YSL not only catered for a certain race, guys. I mean like they have a high demand also in Japan, in Korea, which is the Japanese and the Korean, they're not into warm tone blush so much. They like a very muted color kind of blush. So I guess there's a market for this. So let's put it a try because I've been looking for this product for almost 8 months and finally I got it and let's give it a try. So I'm going to use on myself and on my sister because me, I'm having a medium skin tone. My sister is a fair skin tone. Let's see how to make it work, okay? So basically, for me as a makeup artist of 17 years, I like a purple blush to base any blush on ko so that it will complement and it will make any blush on that you put on top of it become neutral or more cool tone, mas fresh tingnan. So let's try on its own. So I'm gonna put here and then here and then let's just use our fingertip to blend them. So basically on my medium skin tone, it doesn't show, but maybe I'm gonna put a little more. This is what I mean. It's a very nice to base or to layer it with another blush on. So to neutralize your blush, to make it a little bit cooler or cool tone. Because sometimes blush on, yung mga medyo too warm color, it make you look older or looks haggard looking. So this one is basically on medium skin tone. It's not gonna work, okay? This is with, this is without. Now I'm going to try it on my sister. So I'm going to try it on my sister's face, which is she's having a fair skin. Look at how the color of purple or lilac, it just come out and it looks, kita yung blush color niya. It's giving you a nice kind of freshness, muted pink, lavender kind of blush. Look at that. If you want for inclusivity, what more you can ask? Of course, YSL is not only yung purple lang. They have another color. They have a deeper color. They have a pale color. So the pale color cater for a fair skin and then deeper color cater for morena. So what do you guys think? Would you guys give them a try?